Hi everyone, welcome to lanretsolutions. In today's past question review, we are going to be focusing on question 2 of English Language Paper 1, May-June WASSCE 2008. Question 2 states that write a letter to the Minister of Works in your country complaining about the deplorable condition of roads in your area and the effects this has on the lives of your people. I repeat, write a letter to the Minister of Works in your country complaining about the deplorable condition of the roads in your area and the effects this has on the lives of your people. These were the following observations of WAEC in question number 2. This is a formal letter of complaint to the Minister of Works in the candidate's country. The candidate is required to complain about the deplorable state or condition of roads in his area and discuss the effect of this on the lives of the people. There are many good attempts on this question, as noted by WAEC, as the candidates had no problem in spelling out the poor nature of roads. However, one obvious shortcoming, is that some of the candidates wrote on the deplorable conditions of roads in their country instead of their area. As such, could not link the effects intimately with the lives of the people. Such a link is an important aspect of this question, meaning most of the candidates were focusing on deplorable conditions of roads in the country instead of their area, and the question states that it must be in your area. So, and that could cost you a lot in the question. So these are the hints on how to answer question number 3 correctly and earn your full mark. The first hint is that you must make sure your essay is up to 450 words, and you must also know that this is a formal letter. You are writing to the Minister of Works of your country, so it is a formal letter. Then you should have two addresses in formal letter: the writer's address and the recipient's address, and followed by the recipient's address. And these are the salutation. After the address, you have the salutation, which is dear sir or dear ma. Then you have the heading or the title. Then the appropriate title for this would have been Deplorable Conditions of Roads in Ikeja and its Effect, since you have been asked to state your area. So for instance, if my area is Ikeja, so I just say Deplorable Condition of Roads in Ikeja and its Effects. Then after you have written the title, the next thing to write is under your introduction, you congratulate him on his appointment. Then tell him why you are writing the letter. After you have done that, under body, discuss about the deplorable conditions of roads in Ikeja and its effects on the lives of people in your area. After this, the next hint is under conclusion. The candidate should suggest solutions to the problem and appeal to the minister to look into them. Having done this, then you can, under the complementary clause, should be yours faithfully, followed by your signature, the writer's signature, and his or her full name. If you can do all this, you are going to earn your full mark for that question. If you have more questions and inquiry, you can send us an email as displayed on the screen. Our email is lanretsolutions@gmail.com, or if you want the text version of this question, you can visit the link displayed on the screen. Or if you want questions and solutions on other subjects, you can, as text file, you can also visit our blog, which is lanretsolutions.blogspot.com. See you in question number 4. Thank you.